Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are live with another video. So as I said in my previous video, I'd like to keep my videos where I'm simplifying fractions separate from my videos where I add and subtract fractions. In my last live stream, I subtracted some fractions with like denominators, and these are two of the answers from that video that were not in lowest terms, so I'm going to now simplify my answers from my previous video into lowest terms. So to simplify a fraction into lowest terms, you simply divide the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. So I'm going to model how to do that step by step. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. All right. So 3/9. So I have to figure out what are the common factors between 3 and 9. So common factors between 3 and 9. I'm about to list some common factors here. So the factors of 3 are simply 1 and 3. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So the greatest common factor between the two numbers is 3. So that means that we are going to divide the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And our answer is 1/3. 3/9 simplified in the lowest terms is 1/3. So now I'm going to do the same thing. The bottom number, our bottom fraction, 5/15. So I got to find the greatest common factor between 5 and 15. So I'm going to list the factors of 5 and 15, and the greatest common factor, the biggest number that's in common between both the numerator and denominator, that's what I'm going to divide by. So 1 and 5 are the only factors of the number 5. 15, 1, 3, 5, and 15. So the greatest common factor between 5 and 15 is 5. Mind you, the greatest factor overall here is 15, but 15 isn't a common factor between 5 and 15. 15 is a factor of itself, but 15 is not a factor of 5. So the greatest factor that both 5 and 15 have in common is 5. So we're going to divide by 5. I have a feeling the answer is going to be the same, but we're going to find out. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So I didn't plan it this way, but the answer is the same. 3/9 reduced to lowest terms would be 1/3. 5/15 reduced to lowest terms would also be 1/3. So that is my final answer. The two answers from the previous video simplified to lowest terms equal 1/3. I hope you like this video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful. And if there is another area of math or reading, put that in the comments and I'll do a future video on that skill. That's all, folks.